day 13 of the 100 days of building with AI, and I did it. Let me show you.
This is the app. I'm creating it with bolt.diy using the Anthropic Claude 3.5 Sonnet model, and so far this is what it looks like. Don't mind the UI too much, but let me show you. So here, if I enter my topic and hit the generate button, what happens is this goes to my N8N web workflow. So here I have the editor, so you can see that it gets triggered by a webhook. And in the executions, you can see that this one is running, and so it is going through this workflow. So it's going from the webhook to then my news API, the top articles summarize agent, the podcast scripting agent. We have to sanitize the output, and then it's going to the replicate API to use the Kokoro model for audio, and then it sends back that audio URL to the webhook. So when we look, we can see that now it generated. So we have our podcast and we can listen to it.
Hi there, and welcome to today's episode where we're diving into the vibrant world of Solana and the latest buzz surrounding cryptocurrency.
Right, and yeah, the goal is then to have this download button.
The absolute insane part of all of this to me is that I still can't write code, and I can just tell bolt.diy to be like, hey, I'm getting this URL with an audio file, please add an audio player, and it does that. And then I tell it I also need a download button, and it does that. And even when things don't go exactly the way they should go, I can go into another AI tool such as ChatGPT and paste my code and be like, hey, why is this not working? So several times in the N8N flow, I got stuck because I was getting errors, and I just paste the error in, and then it just gives me solutions that I can try. And so this constant iteration made that I managed to build this personalized podcast app, which is really, really cool. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do now, whether I'm going to continue working on it, because there's so much that I could do now or try to do, or whether I will start a new app. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I continue working on this and basically add other voices and maybe have different sources, or make it so that it's not only news, but that you could also put in topics just to learn? Do you think that